Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Ladies and gentlemen, I am back, but not in an official capacity. I just had enough energy today to sit down and film this review because I feel like I haven't posted on my channel in a little while now, and if you don't follow me on social media, then you probably don't know that I had pneumonia for the last couple of weeks and I've just been trying to recover, which is why you haven't seen any new YouTube videos from me. I'm sure I probably sound really nasally. It's because I'm still all stuffed up and I still have a pretty bad cough. But aside from that, I think I am definitely on the upswing and hopefully I will be back to 100% over the coming weeks, and that means I can go back to my regular filming schedule. It has also gotten stinking hot in the city of Toronto, which is a fantastic thing because that means summer is around the corner, but it also means that my room gets incredibly hot with all of my filming lights, so apologies if you see beads of sweat on my face. I am so excited for today's video for a couple of reasons. I mean, number one, because I get to sit down and chat with you guys again, and number two, because I get to review a palette I have been so excited about. This is the BH Cosmetics Weekend of Festival palette. This came out around Coachella time, I believe, and I finally got to sit down, play with some of the colors, see what I think about them. Today was one of the first days where I could actually sit down and feel comfortable putting on a full face of makeup, and let me tell you, I went a little bit ham today. I was just so excited to sit down in front of my mirror, and let me tell you, my brushes were just doing their own thing. I felt like I was having a bit of an out-of-body experience. Because when I saw these colors here, they just called to me. They were bold and bright, super pigmented, and they just started blending out on their own. I used several colors from this palette to create the look that I am wearing on my eyes today. I used this gorgeous pink color over here, as well as this more neon pink. I used this purple, this orange. I used this sort of cobalt metallic blue color. I used this teal color, this purple color, even this frosted color over here. So several colors went into this concoction and I loved every single one of them. There wasn't a single color in here that I didn't like. As you can see from my eye look, these mattes were so pigmented when they went on and they applied so easily. I literally just very gently tapped my brush into the pan and then started applying right on my lid. I did use a little bit of concealer as eye primer and everything just went on so nicely. So I started off with this pink color right here. I put that in my inner corner, then went to this more neon pink color and I threw that into the middle of my lid, and I went straight for this purple over here and I put that in the outer corner. But before I started laying down all of those all over lid colors, I did use this orange and this sort of burnt sienna color over here to put into my crease just to help things blend out a little bit more. But then the minute I started doing this look, I realized I wanted to play with more bold and bright colors. So I went into this teal color and I started buffing that out in my crease, and that's what you see sort of on the outer corners of my eyes. I then took this purple and I smudged that right into my crease, so I really dug that in there because I wanted to carve that out a little bit more. And then I used this sort of frosted lavender color as a highlight on my brow bone. I also forgot to mention that I ended up using this color Solstice right here as an inner corner highlight, and on my lower lash line I used this beautiful metallic cobalt color as well as this teal color over here. And I loved everything. And I also used this purple color called Wicked. It's all on my lower lash line. And honestly, these colors couldn't have applied any better. This palette is pretty simple. It does come in a cardboard magnetic container. And yes, it does have a mirror that you can use, which makes it super convenient. It is made in the PRC, so that's the People's Republic of China. And in terms of ingredients that might cause any irritation on your eyes, eyes. There is mica in here. There are ultramarines as well as bismuth oxychloride, so that can cause some irritation for anybody who has really sensitive eyes, so keep that in mind when you are considering this palette. The package does say that this is a cruelty-free product and its shelf life is 24 months, so you can certainly get some good use out of these colors. There's one glitter color in here, 7 mattes, and you have 11 metallic colors, so a really good variety of shades and different finishes, and I feel like this is a palette that you can use on its own. You don't necessarily need any complementary ones because I think you've got a really good variety of colors in here. You can even create something a little more subdued than what I am wearing right now. You do have these nice gold colors over here, some bronze tones, a rose gold over here. You've got some more neutral transition colors, very simple highlighting colors. This palette can really do a lot for you. And I want to show you guys what I mean about crazy pigmentation. I'm just going to take this pink color, so I just very lightly put my hand in there, and on the back of my hand I'm just going to swipe that, and you see the incredible payoff that this does have. It is fantastic. These matte colors can be a little bit on the powdery side. They do have a little bit of kick up when you are dipping your brush in there, but it's honestly not a big deal. Just do what I do, blow it away, and you're good to go. The palette is as good as new. And now to show you the glitter color, I'm going to take Solstice just a little bit on the back of my hand, and I've just gone ahead and swiped that right there, and you guys can see how beautiful this pigmentation is. It's such a stunning color. Looks amazing all over the lid. I do have it in my inner corner right now, and I've kind of brought that up into my crease a little bit to sort of mesh with all of the other colors. It is a stunning color. I definitely recommend this palette with zero hesitation. Go on to BH Cosmetics, pick this up. I promise you, you will not be disappointed. And that's gonna do it for this review. I really hope you guys enjoyed it. I know this was a little bit shorter than most of my other palette reviews, but I don't really have much else to say except this is a really great palette. If you've had a chance to play with this palette already, let me know in the comment section below, and also let me know what some of your favorite bold colored palettes are. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button if you aren't subscribed already. Give this video a big thumbs up, and also connect with me on all of my social media. I am on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and Snapchat, and I'm going to make sure to link everything for you in the description box below. Thank you again so much for watching. It is really good to be back. I hope you guys are all having an amazing day no matter where you are in the world. Stay beautiful, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.